Spoiler alert, this is a good product and I'm going to tell you why. Quietly doing the hard work, that's a category I'm going to put Rosa Scarless Healer cream in. No big budget marketing, no big budget advertising, but it does what the manufacturer says it does. Well, to the most part. And that's what this video is about. I'm going to tell you what it does and what it misses out on. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the anti-inflammatory ingredients. Anti-inflammatory ingredients are supposed to reduce the irritation on the skin, calm and soothe the skin, and also reduce the redness on the skin. The first ingredient I would like to talk about is the 𝗏𝗏 extract. Now this is a plant extract. It's commonly called St. John's wort. Now this is a very good anti-inflammatory ingredient. It soothes the skin. It reduces the irritation on the skin. Now this ingredient has been used to treat minor ailments from way back in the Greek and Roman Empire times. This ingredient is also a good antibacterial ingredient. That means it can get rid of all the nasty bacteria from the skin. The next ingredient I would like to talk about is calendula. Calendula is pot marigold plant extract. This is a good inflammatory ingredient and it reduces the redness on the face. The next ingredient is gotu-kola extract. Now this extract is also commonly called as Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It's very good in wound healing and it also has very good anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces the redness, irritation, calms the skin and soothes the skin. I've got another video where I explain in detail all the benefits Centella asiatica can bring to the face. I'll leave a link to that video up above this video. The next ingredient I want to mention is allantoin. Allantoin is also known for its good anti-inflammatory properties. The next one is ylang-ylang oil. Again, a good anti-inflammatory ingredient, reduces redness and calms and soothes the skin, and it also has some antibacterial properties, meaning it can get rid of all the nasty bacteria. Two other ingredients worth mentioning in this product are the rosehip oil and arnica oil. Both of them can calm and soothe the skin. Arnica oil is extracted from the yellow flowers of the arnica plant, which belongs to the sunflower family. Now let me talk about why it is so essential to bring that inflammation down. Now whenever there's any kind of inflammation, redness, irritation on the skin, in the deeper layers of the skin, extra amount of a pigment called melanin gets produced. Lots and lots of melanin gets produced, and this melanin moves up like in a conveyor belt and reaches the visible layer of the skin. And that's how all the dark spots and uneven skin tone gets formed. Now that's the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now the color of it is from the color of melanin. So it's very essential to calm the inflammation, to bring down the inflammation, to bring down the irritation, to bring down the redness. And that's why anti-inflammatory ingredients, good anti-inflammatory ingredients, are essential in any product which says it reduces the scars on the face. This product does have a load of ingredients which are very good anti-inflammatory ingredients. This product does have some essential oils in it, like ylang-ylang oil and lavender oil. Essential oils can bring some irritation to some, especially the lemony and minty essential oils. Irritation is not good, especially considering that's what we're actually trying to fight with this product. But lavender oil and ylang-ylang oil do bring some good skincare benefits. Having said that, if you're using this product, please do a patch test and then make sure it's not irritating your skin, and only then apply it on your face. This product does have a couple of trademarked ingredients like tocomin and suprabio. Not sure what exactly are in these trademarked ingredients, but the manufacturer says they are complex vitamin E ingredients. Vitamin E is very good for irritated and inflamed skin, and it does have some wound healing properties as well. The next ingredient I would like to quickly touch on is a tea tree hydrosol. That's a good antibacterial ingredient, so it disinfects the skin and gets rid of all the harmful microorganisms from the skin. This product has some good emollients in it. Emollients form a thin layer on top of the skin and help the skin to retain all the moisture. Now in an inflamed and irritated skin, the skin's barrier function is compromised. What do I mean by that? The top layer of the skin acts as a shield and prevents water from the deeper layers of the skin from evaporating into the environment. In an inflamed and irritated skin, this shield function is a bit compromised, so it needs additional help, and that's where the emollients come into play. Emollients are effective for as long as they are on the skin's surface. Now they form a thin layer on top of the skin surface and prevent the water from evaporating into the environment, and thus they help in retaining all that moisture. Now moisture is important because moisture helps the inflamed skin to heal faster. Some of the emollients in the product are beta-glucan oat, jojoba oil, shea butter and castor oil. Another ingredient I would like to quickly mention is the aloe vera extract. Now this is a humectant, it's a water magnet, so it attracts water from the atmosphere and brings it to the surface of the skin. Now this product does have some fragrance in it. It's listed in the ingredient list as aroma. It also has another ingredient called frankincense oil. Now frankincense oil also brings with it some fragrance, but this frankincense oil is also known for bringing the irritation and the inflammation and the redness of the skin down a bit. Now when the manufacturer says the product is good at fighting scars, what it means is it's not going to reduce the scar that's already there on the face, but what it can do is actually prevent the post-inflammatory scars, the scars that can arise because of the inflammation, the hyperpigmentation scars that can come after the inflammation. You know how we said when the skin is inflamed, the melanin, additional melanin is produced, and that can cause all the uneven skin tone and dark spots. That's actually what it's going to prevent, because it's reducing the inflammation. It's bringing the inflammation down. The manufacturer also says the product is good in getting rid of stretch marks. I don't think so. We can just ignore that as some marketing fluff. All in all, it's a very good product. It does do most of what the manufacturer says it will do. Some of the fancy manufacturers offer far less at a much higher price. Considering the price of the product, this is a good product. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and do subscribe to the channel. Please give it a like and do subscribe to the channel.